In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flatten a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got this PDF right here and I'll just double click on it. It's going to open up in Edge, and as you can see, it's a PDF that has text, images, all the way to the end. Now, flattening a PDF essentially means combining all these layers, that is the text layer, images and all that, into one layer. And why you may need to do this is probably because you want to have this particular PDF printed without changing anything in this particular PDF. Now, this PDF can be edited in a PDF editing application like Adobe Acrobat, and I'm going to open up Adobe Acrobat and just drag and drop my PDF right there. Now, here's our PDF. If I click on Edit PDF, you can see that there are boxes surrounding the text right here. If I click on the image, you can see it's also selectable and all that. If I go to the next pages, you can see the same thing can happen. And you'll take a note that we've got the text font right here, the font size and all that, that you can change. You can go to image, change images, get images, add images and all that. But for this video, we want to flatten this PDF into a single layer. That is, the text layer, the images will be one layer. And as I mentioned, this is to probably if you want it printed without any changes to the PDF. So I'll click on the print icon here, or Control P, click on it. And once I do that, there are a couple of printers you can select. You can do Adobe PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. I'll click on this. Now, how many copies do you want? I just want one. Now, if you have a physical printer, this is where you'd kinda do it. But for the flattening of this PDF, we're just going to do a Microsoft Print to PDF, more or less. And for this particular section, you can see the pages you can print to. That is, if you just wanted one page or two pages, depends on you. And that is more or less to flatten that or those few pages. Now, for this one, I'm not changing anything else here other than the orientation. It says a portrait, and you can see our PDF is in landscape. So we want to maintain the orientation. So I'll click on landscape. And once I'm done with that, I'll not change anything else. I'll just click on print, and it's going to prompt me where to save this new PDF document that's going to be flattened. I'm going to call it flattened and save in the same folder and click on save. And the progress is right there. If I go back to my folder, you can see a new PDF coming up. And as you can see, let's just double click on it. We can actually go up. This is the start. And you can take a note that this one is kind of not selectable, but with the original one, you can select. So this is the flattened PDF. And if I open it in a different PDF editing application, and I'm going to open in Tenorshare Speedy Knob, just open it like that, you'll take a note that it gives you this prompt. This is a scanned PDF. Perform OCR to make it editable and searchable. So as you can see, all the layers have been flattened, and you need to perform OCR or optical character recognition to make this particular PDF editable. But for what it's worth, we flattened our PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Super simple and super quick. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.